While many think that growing older leads to becoming weaker and less active, people like Jacinto Bonilla prove that age is merely a number. Despite being in his 90s, Jacinto continues to push his limits and participate in one of the most physically demanding sports out there. His extraordinary journey challenges the conventional beliefs about aging, proving that with dedication, passion, and resilience, greatness knows no bounds. Jacinto Bonilla stands as a beacon of resilience, defying the stereotypes associated with age. At 86 years old, he embodies the idea that age is not a barrier to physical fitness, but rather an opportunity to push boundaries. While many people his age might choose to slow down and take it easy, Jacinto enthusiastically embraces each day, challenging himself to new heights in the fitness world. His path inspires people of all ages, demonstrating that no matter how old, one can still do amazing things with hard work and perseverance. Jacinto has dispelled stereotypes by defying society's misconceptions of aging and demonstrating the extraordinary abilities of the human body. Jacinto's resilience is not just physical, but also mental and emotional. He approaches each workout with enthusiasm, viewing it as an opportunity to strengthen not only his body, but also his mind. Through his unwavering commitment to fitness, Jacinto demonstrates that age is just a number, and that the human spirit can beat any limitations imposed by time. What drives Jacinto Bonilla to defy age and continue his fitness journey with such determination? The answer lies in his unique approach to motivation. Unlike many individuals who may see aging as a reason to slow down, Jacinto views it as an opportunity to challenge himself and push his limits further. His journey began at a young age, starting weightlifting at 14 and engaging in various physical activities. However, it wasn't until he discovered CrossFit at age 67 that Jacinto indeed found his passion. The intense nature of CrossFit appealed to his competitive spirit, pushing him to excel beyond what he thought possible. Jacinto's motivation derives from his unwavering love for sports and his sense of accomplishment with each new milestone. Whether lifting weights, running marathons, or participating in CrossFit competitions, Jacinto approaches each workout with enthusiasm and determination. But the most surprising aspect of Jacinto's motivation is his desire to defy stereotypes and prove that age is just a number. By pushing his limits well into his 80s, Jacinto challenges the notion that aging equates to physical decline, inspiring others to embrace a life of health and vitality at any age. Jacinto Bonilla's journey defies age through physical prowess and a commitment to skin-deep care. As the body's largest age-preserving source, the skin plays a crucial role in Jacinto's overall health. Handling the skin with care ensures its protection from external elements, regulates temperature, and ensures optimal functionality, demonstrating the significance of shielding the body's outer layer. Jacinto wears sunscreen and protective clothing whenever outside. His animal skin cancer screenings contribute to proactive health management, gracefully reflecting a holistic approach to aging. Jacinto emphasizes gentle products in his anti-aging skincare routine, acknowledging that the skin requires mindful care. Hydration, a key element in preserving skin vitality, becomes a foundational aspect of his routine. Jacinto's attention to skincare extends beyond vanity. It is a testament to his comprehensive approach to well-being. By sharing this aspect of his secret, he encourages others to recognize the symbiotic relationship between outer care and the body's enduring strength. Exercise, a cornerstone of Jacinto Bonilla's journey, unveils many benefits beyond physical prowess. Research underscores its role in reducing the risk of severe diseases while maintaining mobility. However, for Jacinto, exercise is not merely a routine, it's a lifelong commitment that began with weightlifting at 14. His engagement in diverse physical activities, including basketball, boxing, karate, and marathon running, showcases a passion for movement. The discovery of CrossFit in his late 60s opened new avenues for physical and mental challenges. Jacinto's surprising revelation about his lifelong commitment to staying in shape underscores the timeless truth. Exercise is not just about the body. It profoundly impacts mental health, lowering stress levels, enhancing sleep quality, and boosting mood. Exercise becomes a holistic tonic for well-being. In sharing his exercise journey, Jacinto advocates for physical activity and emphasizes the symbiosis between body and mind. His story surpasses mere athleticism. It becomes a narrative of mental fortitude, fostered through a lifetime of movement. Jacinto Bonilla's secret to aging gracefully extends beyond physical activity to nutrition. Maintaining a healthy diet is crucial in promoting overall health and vitality. His advice reflects the importance of choosing nutrient-dense foods, a principle he has embraced throughout his life. Putting abundant fruits and vegetables into meals, Jacinto ensures a rich supply of essential vitamins and minerals for optimal body function. His dietary wisdom extends to all types of fats consumed, favoring healthier options like olive or avocado oil over solid fats. His nutrition philosophy has little room for processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats. Jacinto's dietary regimen aligns with a holistic approach, acknowledging that aging gracefully entails focusing on physical activity and the nourishment that fuels the body. By promoting mindful nutritional choices, he offers a guide for others to navigate the intricate landscape of nutrition. In the pursuit of aging well, mental health emerges as a critical, often overlooked pillar. In Jacinto's philosophy, prioritizing elevated moods and managing stress are guiding principles. Jacinto prioritizes devoting meaningful time to friends and loved ones, cultivating deep relationships, and nurturing a solid social network. This holistic approach to mental well-being extends even to the companionship of furry loved ones, as having a pet has been linked to lower stress, reduced loneliness, and enhanced moods. Jacinto's advocacy for mental health is a reminder that aging well is not just about physical strength, it's about cultivating mental wealth. Acknowledging the interconnectedness of mind and body, he invites others to embrace a comprehensive approach to well-being. Jacinto Bonilla faced several obstacles to becoming the fittest man at 86. Despite facing obstacles such as prostate cancer and the natural effects of aging, Jacinto's resilience and determination have propelled him forward. In 2008, Jacinto confronted prostate cancer, a diagnosis that could have discouraged many individuals from pursuing their fitness goals. However, instead of allowing illness to dictate his life, Jacinto approached his recovery with courage and determination. He resolutely refused to let adversity stop him from pursuing greatness and kept training and competing. Jacinto's resilience extended beyond physical health to encompass his mental fortitude. He maintains a steadfast focus on his goals, channeling setbacks into opportunities for growth. Rather than surrendering to self-doubt or negativity, Jacinto remains resolute in pushing boundaries and defying limitations. Moreover, Jacinto's unwavering perseverance is a source of inspiration for others facing similar challenges. Through his experiences, Jacinto emphasizes the importance of resilience in navigating life's unavoidable obstacles. By adopting a resilient mindset and embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, individuals can overcome adversity and realize their full potential, just like Jacinto Bonilla. Jacinto Bonilla's fitness legacy is rich with valuable lessons that transcend age and inspire individuals of all backgrounds to pursue their fitness goals with passion and determination. Through his incredible journey, Jacinto shares knowledge that inspires and guides everyone aiming to live a more active and healthy lifestyle. One of the most profound lessons from Jacinto's story is the importance of consistency and perseverance in achieving fitness goals. Despite his age, Jacinto remains dedicated to his fitness routine, demonstrating that consistent effort over time delivers significant results. His unwavering commitment serves as a reminder that progress is not always linear, but requires patience and persistence. Additionally, Jacinto's approach to fitness emphasizes the significance of mindset in overcoming obstacles and pushing past limitations. By maintaining a positive attitude and embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, Jacinto has defied expectations and achieved feats that defied his age. His resilience in adversity is a powerful reminder that mental toughness is as important as physical strength in achieving success. Furthermore, Jacinto's story underscores the transformative power of passion and purpose in driving fitness pursuits. His genuine love for physical activity and unwavering dedication to self-improvement have fueled his remarkable journey, inspiring others to discover their passions and pursue them wholeheartedly. Ultimately, Jacinto Bonilla's fitness legacy is a beacon of hope and inspiration for individuals of all ages, reminding us that it is never too late to embark on a journey toward better health and fitness. His story encourages us to embrace challenges, cultivate resilience, and continuously pursue our goals. As Jacinto continues to inspire others through his example, his impact will endure for generations to come, shaping how we perceive aging and encouraging people of all ages to live life to the fullest. Ultimately, Jacinto Bonilla's legacy is not just about being the fittest man on the planet at 86 years old. It is about showing the world that age is truly just a number and that the human spirit is capable of achieving extraordinary feats when fueled by passion, resilience, and determination. Let Jacinto Bonilla's incredible journey inspire you to push your limits and embrace a fitness and wellness lifestyle. Don't let age be a barrier to achieving your goals. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content, and share this video with someone who needs a push to defy their limits. Together, let's rewrite aging rules and embrace the power of resilience and determination. See you in the next video.